Good morning, student. Student, in last previous classes, I have started the chapter number 9, the plant growth and multiplication. In this chapter, animals reproduce. They reproduce by giving the birth of the young ones of their own kinds, or some animals are laying the eggs, by which any individual is developed by the eggs. Now I am discussing the some animals that is giving the eggs. Okay. Last previous classes I have explained about the egg laying animal like fish, frog, birds, reptiles and insects. Okay? Insects. So insects are also egg laying animals. Okay? So the cockroach and the grasshopper are the egg laying animals. Their life cycle have only 3 stages. Okay. Now today I will discuss about the Now open your science book, and today I will discuss the life cycle of the housefly and butterfly. Okay? Butterfly plus food science topic life cycle of housefly and butterfly. Okay, write down. So you know, student, housefly and butterfly, they are insects. They are insects. They lay eggs. Okay. There are 4 stages. 4 stages are found in their life cycle. Okay. The 4 stages, that is the egg, caterpillar, that is the egg, after the hatching of the egg, they break down and hatch out from egg, that is called the caterpillar. Caterpillar. Okay, caterpillar. Caterpillar. Now caterpillar, this is the larva of the larva. But student, listen. The larva of housefly is called the maggot. MAGGO, maggot. Okay, and butterfly, the larva of butterfly is called the caterpillar. Caterpillar. Caterpillar and housefly called the maggot. So the larva very fast. They feed up very fast and develop into the pupa. Okay. This is the pupa stage. In the pupa, the larva stop the feeding and they secrete a thread-like structure around their body and protect themselves from the saliva. This is called the cocoon. This is called the cocoon. C-A-C-O-O-N. When they are mature, develop inside the cocoon, they break down the cocoon and comes out from the cocoon and make the butterfly. Okay, this is the butterfly. Okay, so there are 4 stages found in the life cycle of the house fly and butterfly. Okay. Now, student, there is a concept shift is given after the completing of the egg laying animals. Topic: egg laying animals. So all of you write down the answer or the concept check. Open the page number 95. All of you, and ready with pencil, eraser, sharpener. I am also taking the book for the explanation of the concept check. Page number 95. So, student, write down in the book guide. First, fill in the blanks. Write down with the help of pencil. Answer first. Dash is necessary for maintaining life on the earth. So write down reproduction. REPRODUCTION. Answer second. The developing baby inside there are 2 dash. First dash is called, write down first dash inside the egg. Second called embryo. EMBRY. Okay. So generally yolk contain the developing baby. Yolk contain the developing baby. But where is it? It is inside the egg, the center of the egg. Third, frog lays thousands of eggs in a cluster called spawn. S-P-A-W-N. S-P-A-W-N. It's called the spawn. Answer 4. Dash have dry skin covered with scales. Generally reptiles. R-E-P-T-I-L-E-S. Reptiles have dry skin covered with scales. R-E-P-T-I-L-E-S. And last, fifth. The wingless baby insect is called. The wingless baby insect is called. Student, this is called the nymph. N-Y-M-P-H. It is same as the adult. Okay, adult cockroach, but they no wing. So this is called wingless, called the nymph. Complete this in your book. I hope you are all in this video book. Now I am going to explain about the next topic, that is the giving the birth of their young ones. Okay, I am starting the animal that give birth to their babies. Animal give birth to their babies. Okay. Giving birth. Okay. Young ones. Giving birth to young ones. Giving birth to young ones. Okay. Some animals such as the cow, donkey, lion, human being, elephant. These are some animals which are giving birth to their young ones. Giving birth to their young ones. Mammals, M-A-M-M-A-L-S. Mammals like cow, goat, dog, okay, pig, elephant, lion, humans also giving birth. Okay, giving birth to their babies, to their Babies. What are the features of mammals? Student, mammals have well developed sense organs and brain, and they feed their meat to their young ones. Okay. Also, their hairs are found in their body. Hairs are found in their body, so that they protect them from the cold. So they keep them warm in the extreme cold also. Okay. So most of the mammals have hair on the body. Hair on the body, well developed sense organs, and brain. They have well developed brain and sense organ. Okay, animals. They are warm-blooded animals. B-L-O-O-D-E-D. They are warm-blooded. Means the body temperature always constant in every situation, in every season. Okay. So they also called the warm-blooded animals. Okay. Now, the most animals live on the land and breathe through lungs. B-R-E-A-T-H, through lungs. Okay. Breathe through lungs. Cat with kitten, beach puppies, and lion cubs. Lion, cubs, B-I is beach, P-U-P-I, puppies, and the cat give birth, the young ones, it is called kitten. Cat, K-I-T-T-E-N. K-I-T-T-E-N. Lioness, L-O-N-E-S-S, lioness. Lion means male lion, lioness means female lion. Give cubs. Okay. Beaches give the birth. Their baby is called the puppies. Okay. There one more features are found in the mammals. First of all, they care their babies. Human beings care for a long time of period in their babies. During childhood of the mammals, they feed their milk to their babies. So mammals generally feed their milk to their babies and take care also for a long time, period of time, like the human beings, cat, dog, okay, and lion also, elephant also. But usually there is some mammals that laying eggs also. Some mammals laying eggs also. You know, student, some mammals like platypus and eater, they are two animals, and some other animals also laying the eggs. They are some exceptional animals. Okay, care of their animals. This is the universal truth of all manners, that they care their babies. Okay. Now there is a one concept check also given after completing of your this topic. So all of you open the page number 96 and ready with pencil and write down the answer that in your book. So student, all of you get ready to write down the answer of the concept check, page number 96. I am also telling you for the explanation of the question answer. State true or false, also correct the false statement. Okay. So all of you write down this in your classwork copy, student. Don't write in the book. Write down in the classwork. Okay. I am not going to write down the question. You will write down the question in the free time. Write down direct answer and leave the one or two lines for the question. Okay. First, state true or false. True or false. Also correct the false statement. Also correct the false. Okay, student, I think this is too much for today's online class. I will explain it in your next online classes. Okay, so write down today's homework. I will explain it in your next online class in detail and explain the exercises also. So all of you ready with copy, pen, pencil and sharpener. Okay, so write down today's homework. Learn concept check of page number 95. And read giving birth to their baby in mammals. Okay, so don't be panic. Read very carefully at your home, student, and submitted your science notebook tomorrow. Send it through your parents only. Okay, for correction. Chapter 1 to chapter 7th only. Till 7th only. Don't send this chapter. So make another copy for the exercise. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.